Halo Yunis.
Halo, Miss.
Halo. Eh, Yunis, untuk minggu depan kan masih berlanjut ya ke Python Pro 2 ya.
Ya,
Nah, kalau misalnya mulai minggu depan yang hari Jumat diganti ke jam 8 malam, kamu kemalaman nggak?
enggak sih, Miss.
Ganti ke jam 8 ya, takutnya aku jam 6 belum pulang.
Oke, Miss.
Oke, berarti nanti tak ini untuk jamnya pindah ke jam 8 ya. Nanti selesainya jam 9. Oke, ayo kita lanjutin
Eh,
yang tadi. PowerPoint Canva-nya sudah atau belum?
Sudah,
Can you present it?
bentar.
Oh ya, dari Python Pro 1 yang kamu masih bingung nanti yang mana bilang ya. Nanti hari ini kita bahas. Bingung yang mana?
Oke, Miss.
Oke, wait. Okay. Okay, can you present it? The Ravier.
Yes.
Okay.
The fire test.
Okay.
So, the project goal is to measure an individual's cardiorespiratory fitness level and to evaluate the heart's ability to handle physical exertion.
Okay.
Next, the main problem is not everyone understands how to use the Raphael test, especially children and elders, and can be challenging to perform correctly without experience. This app will overcome these limitations by guiding users through the test and provide a personal feedback which is easier to understand. By creating an objective health monitoring, the app can be valuable tool for routine health checkups and monitoring. The distinctive features of this program are it uses a modified and corrected formula such as below, and the evolution is correlated with age. Programming language. In my project, I used programming language like Python. Prospects for developments. Developments is focused on creating more accessible, automated, and precise assessments of cardiorespiratory fitness, which can lead us to customized training programs and early identification of health and risks. Achievements practical and accessible. The test is easy to perform, requires no specialized equipment, and is quick. That's all, and thank you.
Okay, can you share your link? Upload dulu download, nanti upload ke Google Drive. Nanti linknya boleh kopikan ke link ya, ke Miss ya. Oke, good job for your project. Boleh dikerjakan dulu ininya, di download dulu, masukin ke Google Drive. Lali, men. Lalu drive-nya kirim ke Miss. Masukin ke Google Drive, download dulu. By PDF boleh, by PPT boleh. Oke, thank you Yunis. Oke, sekarang Miss jelasin untuk yang hari ini. Portfolio. Oke, presentasinya, checklist. Oke, kita ke project akhir ya. Bentar, Miss mau ke toilet sebentar, boleh?
Ya, Miss.
Okay, finish. Okay, project fair. Discussion the project fair format. Now, you have come a long way. Let's recall what you have learned. Okay, during the course, you have to written your first program. You learn what data types are and how to work with them. Successfully use the basic algorithmic construct, conditional operator, and loops. Implement individual functions and create modules from them. Study data structure, list dictionaries, and tuples. Masih tahu list apa? Dictionaries apa? Tuples apa? Can you explain? Okay, what is list? Dictionary? Tuples apa? Yunis, boleh dijelaskan?
List itu yang pakai tanda kurung kotak. Dictionary yang kurung kerawal.
Hmm.
Tuple itu yang kurung biasa, tapi untuk pengertiannya saya agak lupa, Miss.
Oke. Catatannya boleh dibuka. Masih ingat atau enggak? Tuples. Tuples. You remember? Oke. List dictionaries and
Tuples yang pakai kurung biasa,
Oke,
Miss.
tuples yang pakai kurung biasa. Oke, we have independently create several large and scale project. It's time to sum up the result. Today, you have to present your achievements to the project fair. What is the project fair? The project fair is an event which the result can help the students to get nominated. What nominations will we have? Nah, what is project fair? Name of nomination. The best project to invest in. What is the diploma is award for the project that has been nominated at the most profitable to invest in and which will make a profit the future. The best idea for the applications for the most attention grabbing idea in the project. The most promising project. The most promising project. The best program code in a project is meant for the highest quality organizations of application code. The most memorable project for the project that the people remembered more than any other. The most relevant project for a project that solves the real problem. Nah, ini untuk what is the project fair? Name of nomination, the most memorable application. What the diploma is awarded for. For a project, the most elaborate concept in the interface. The most useful project for the project that the best elements and attempt to solve the pain of the potential customers. The most unique project, the most unique idea implementation of a project, the most ambitious idea for the project idea that amazes people in terms of its scale, the best graphic solutions for the project with the best graphics or the most successful interface. I want to work with you for the project which the be part of. Nah, how will the fair be run? The mentor makes list a sequence of the speakers. Each participant present the project. Other participants decide which nomination they want to take award to the project and vote in the form on the platform. At the end of the lesson, the result will be summarized and a award ceremony will be held. Now, are there any questions about their fair? It's time to start their fair. Project Fair Part 1. Welcome to the Project Fair and the upload idea and then boleh dibuka modulnya. Coba dikerjakan. Untuk modulnya. Graduation. List of nomination. Choose nomination. Nah, coba dibuat number 1. Oke, sekarang coba distribute the nomination among the classmates. For online class only, please note one classmate shall be assigned nomination. If there forever information, describe the teacher with nomination to leave the blank. Coba diisi. Paham nggak atau bingung?
Ini
Ya?
berarti diisi sama project-project
Hmm,
project-project
sama
yang udah saya
project-project.
kerjain ya, Miss.
Yap, betul sekali.
Jadi kalau ada yang sama gitu di
Nggak apa-apa.
tabelnya itu boleh nggak? Oh,
Boleh?
nggak apa-apa.
Nggak apa-apa?
Oke.
Oke. Sambil dideskripsikan ya. Misalnya, the role for the project. Maksudnya itu apa? Ya. Why the best project? Atau kenapa kok memilih itu untuk best projectnya? Kenapa untuk itu untuk best applicationnya? Oke?
Miss, udah.
Okay, can you explain the best project? What is the best project invest in?
The best project to invest in is the Refire Test project because it is very beneficial.
Hmm?
So people would likely to use the app and will automatically attract investors to the game,
Okay.
to the app. Next, the best idea for an application is the Pac-Man game because it is a fun game and will be good as an application. The most promising project is the Refire Test project because it has a clear goal, which is to measure an individual's cardiorespiratory fitness level. Next, the best program code in a project is the Refire Test project because the program code is specific, clear, and every use of the code is easy to understand. The most memorable project for me is The Knight and the Dragon because it has a long process and the struggles make it more memorable. The most relevant project, the Refire Test project. It is relevant because people these days struggle just to pay for checkups, so this app will definitely help them. The most elaborate applications. The Refire Test project because it is made with a great care for the users. Next is the most useful project. For me is the Refire Test project again because its goal is to measure an individual cardiorespiratory fitness level. The most unique project is The Knight and the Dragon because it has many characters in it and can be experienced more in the future. The most ambitious idea is The Knight and the Dragon because it has many characters in it and can be experienced more in the future. The best graphics solution, The Knight and the Dragon again because usually fighting games require good graphics. And the game I want to work with is the Pac-Man game because it is the most fun game and the easiest one.
Okay, checklist good. Oke, sekarang kita bahas sudah selesai ya. Oke, untuk yang ini udah selesai. Ntar Mi share screen dulu. Oke, Project Fair Part 2 ini masih dilanjutin. Nah, hari ini udah selesai sampai di sini. Nah, ada yang ditanyakan atau yang masih bingung yang mana?
Enggak, Miss.
Atau yang masih, sorry, yang masih kosong-kosong coba. Yang M7L5 tadi, masih ada yang kosong-kosong nggak?
7L5.
Hmm, udah.
Ini sebenarnya udah dikerjain cuman dia warna kuning.
Oke, yang lain ada lagi nggak? Yang belum selesai mungkin?
Hmm,
Nah, ini.
yang di awal.
Yap, coba. Yang di awal ya. Aku juga sambil buka. Yang berapa itu? Dua ya?
Iya, Miss.
Pertemuan kedua. Oke, coba yang free-nya dikerjakan dulu.
Miss gak ngerti.
Yang berapa?
Yang keenam.
Keenam ya. Bentar. Oke. Keenam itu change input enter the moment. Oke. Amount. Mm-mm. Kalau punya miss gini, Yunis. Gak ngertinya yang mana punyamu?
Hasilnya beda.
Maksudnya beda. Oke. Kalau punya miss gini, bentar. Wait. Itu yang track ini ya. Oke, boleh stop share nggak punyamu? Punya miss gini. Miss share screen dulu. Yang ini kan
Bel, iya.
12441. Nah, ini. Jadi, kalau punya miss, change input, enter the amount, change integer change, terus del 1, change-nya 10%, change yang ini segini, ini sekian, 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 terus ini. For untuk printnya, jadi del 1 for $1. Ini kan, print del 10, itu untuk $10. Terus yang ini kayak punyamu udah bener deh, yang bawahnya. Cuma yang ininya aja, yang salah. Ya, paham atau bingung?
Paham, Miss.
Oke. Berarti minggu depan pindah jam 8 ya, yang hari Jumat ya?
Iya, Miss.
Oke. Ganti kamu yang share screen ya.
Udah.
Oke, sudah. Waktunya juga sudah habis. Oke, kalau gitu Miss akhiri kelasnya ya. Thank you for today. Kita lanjutin nanti yang di PP kedua. Oke? Thank you, Yunis. Bye-bye. See you for
Thank
next
you,
week.
next.
Selamat malam.
See
See
ya.
you.